Today, we're tackling one of the most persistent and costly problems in business: strategic misalignment. You'll learn why most strategic frameworks fail in execution and discover a method to create a single, unifying document that actually guides your organization to its goals. The core issue in the strategy industry isn't a lack of ideas, it's a failure of translation. A brilliant mission statement gets lost as it filters down through pillars, initiatives, and KPIs. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple: keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Different departments interpret it differently. Leadership's vision becomes a game of telephone, distorted by the time it reaches the teams doing the work. Generic tools like slide decks and spreadsheets fail because they're static and hierarchical. They don't show the dynamic connections between your purpose and your daily actions. They create silos, not synergy. The technical method we use is based on causal mapping and visual hierarchy. It's not about drawing pretty pictures. It's about creating a logical, traceable chain from your highest level mission statement down to your key performance outcomes. Every element must be a noun, not a verb. We differentiate between strategic pillars, which are your enduring areas of focus, and value promises, which are your commitments to stakeholders, and top outcomes, which are the measurable results you need to see. The software solution Generate North Star Map takes your raw strategic inputs, your mission, your goals, your stakeholder needs, and structures them into this rigorous framework. It prompts you to define each component clearly and then visually maps the dependencies between them. The system creates an audit trail showing how each outcome traces back to a pillar and ultimately to the mission. It allows for scenario modeling, so you can ask what-if questions and see how changes in one area affect the entire strategic landscape. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine a tech company with a mission to democratize access to education. Their strategic pillars might be product innovation, global accessibility, and sustainable growth. For the global accessibility pillar, a value promise could be affordable pricing in emerging markets. A top outcome linked to that might be achieve 1 million active users in Southeast Asia within 18 months. For software maps this entire lineage on one page, showing the leadership team exactly how that user metric directly supports the core mission. For compliance and reporting, the software generates a clean one-page report. This isn't a dense 100-page document. It's a visual map that a board member, a new hire, or an engineer can look at and instantly understand the company's direction and their role in it. It aligns communication for investors, regulators, and internal teams by providing a single version of the truth. In closing, Generate North Star Map brings unprecedented clarity and alignment to your strategy. It turns abstract concepts into a coherent, executable blueprint. It ensures everyone is pulling in the same direction with a clear line of sight from their daily work to the company's ultimate purpose.